Good evening, respected judges, teachers, and my fellow participants. Myself, Anish Kumar of Standard 10th. Today, I stand before you to discuss a topic that touches the very sense of life itself, biological welfare and its consequences. Biological welfare refers to the well-being of living organisms, focusing on their health development and sustainability. It involves the protection and nurturing of natural system, ecosystem and biodiversity, ensuring that life can thrive for generations to come. In modern society, we are often faced with challenges that directly impact our biological welfare, including pollution, deforestation, climate change and overpollution. While progress and development have brought us many advancements, they have also come at a cost. The consequences of neglecting our biological welfare are severe and far-reaching. Habitat destruction, for example, lead to the extinction of species, disrupt ecosystem. Pollution and climate change affect the very air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we consume, jeopardizing human and animal health. However, there are challenges. Overuse of antibiotics lead to drug resistance bacteria, excessive pesticide use harms biodiversity, and genetic modification raise ethical concerns. Deforestation, climate change and pollution are driven by human activity and interrupt ecosystem and endangered species involving our own. In conclusion, biological welfare is a double-edged sword. If managed, it ensures a healthier future. If ignored, it threatens our very existence. The choice is ours. Will we protect life or endanger it? Let's act today better for tomorrow. That's all. Thank you and have a sweet night.
Good evening everyone, myself Prabhat Pal from Standard 10. Today, I am honored to discuss about the biological welfare and its consequences. First of all, what's the meaning of biological welfare? Biological welfare means keeping all living things healthy by providing clean water, good food, and health care and a safer environment. If we forget it, people and animals can get sick, nature can be damaged, and economy can suffer. Lack of its basic need, it can also cause conflict. Caring for biological welfare helps to create safer, better, and healthier world for everyone. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen and fellow students. Myself Anjali Kumari from Standard 10. Today I am going to speak about the crucial aspect of our life that affects us all, regardless of our background, culture, and its effect. Biological environment encompasses the crucial. It includes the humans, plants, and animals. It involves the maintaining health and preserving biodiversity. We must reorganize the intrinsic value of our biological welfare. Second, we must take action. And third, we must demand to move our leader. In conclusion, biological welfare is not just an environment issue. It is a human right issue. It is a matter of social justice and economic stability. Let us work together to protect the environment. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, this is Alia Mahwish of Standard 10th. Today I would like to talk about a topic that touches upon the very essence of life itself, the biological welfare and its consequences. The term refers to the care and preservation of biological systems, including the ecosystem, species and even the human genetic health. It goes beyond the individual welfares and dives into the collective responsibilities we have towards nature and life. So today we are present in CBSE competitive school, as biological welfare has far-reaching consequences, both positive and negative. When managed correctly, it can lead us to a thriving environment and healthy populations. However, when neglected, it can result into devastating effects, not only for ecosystem, but for human societies as well. That's all for today, and a heartfelt thank you for your attention.
Good evening, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Sadhgi Singh, a student of class 9, want to talk about a topic that directly impacts our survival: biological welfare and its consequences. Biological welfare refers to the well-being of all living organisms: humans, plants, animals, and even microorganisms. It's a balancing that keeps our environment functioning, ensuring clean air, fertile soil, and sustainable resources. But when this is disturbed, the consequences are devastating. The consequences are here. First, pollution. Second, soil erosion. Third, inorganic farming practice. Inorganic farming practice is now giving us disease decades after decades and centuries after century. Fourth, the last one, the climate change. Climate change is turning normal season into disaster. History is a proof that mighty Indus Valley civilization fell partially due to environmental destruction. If we don't act now, then we may be the next lost civilization. In the last, I would like to tell a Hindi quote that is, Dharma Rakshati Rakshita, means Dharma protects who protect it. So, choice is ours. Devastating or preservation. Let's choose wisely. That's all for today. Thank you.
A very warm and pleasant evening to all of you. Myself, Ayush Patel of Standard 10th. Today, I am present here to deliver a speech on the topic of biological welfare and its consequences. Biological welfare, a well-known biological term that refers to health and well-being of living organisms. It includes humans, and the consequences of biological welfare are severe disregarding ecosystems, increasing diseases, and loss of biodiversity. So it is our moral obligation to act to safeguard the health of our planet and ensure a thriving future for upcoming generations. That's all. Thank you.
Let the light of brand new day chase away an alighting shadow. Dear students, teacher and valued non-teaching staff, a very pleasant good evening to you all. As I am Sharanya from Standard 10 and today I am present here to deliver a speech on the topic of biological welfare and its consequences. Biological welfare refers to well-being of living organisms, the relation between the physical health and mental and their consequences. There are some negative impact of biological welfare thank you.
Good evening to one and all present over here. This is Vaishnavi from Standard 10th and today I'm here to take you on a journey of life of Earth itself, and that is biological welfare and its consequences. Let me begin by asking you all a simple question. Have you ever been stopped to think about impact of our action on environment? The truth is we are all the part of life of web, and our survival depends on the well-being of plants, animal and ecosystem. Take bee population as an example. Bees are essential for pollination. They produce most of the food we eat. But today use of pesticide and natural destruction, and bees are declining. And this is a direct consequence of neglecting biological welfare. Or take another example of Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth. It produced 20% of world oxygen and millions of species. Yet deforestation has been leading with the huge issue and natural destruction. If Amazon disappears, we not just lost trees, but entire ecosystem that has evolved for millions of years. So what we can do? The answer is in collective effort to protect and to nurture our nature. Let us remember that the health of our future is the health of our future. That's all for today. Thank you all for your heartful attention.